Oh my God! Welcome. It's your girl, Amber Ashli, your favorite fashion and personal stylist. Thank you so much for tuning in. You are a blessing. Thank you so much. How are you all doing tonight? Yes, it's nighttime. I'm in my studio and I'm about to do some unveiling of thrifted items. I hope you all are excited as I am. And by the way, you know I got my little wig on. I don't name my wigs, but I've had this for some time and I do like it a lot. The only thing is, every time I wear this, I wear something on my head because I didn't understand or know really about lace, so I cut it. And I probably did it right, but I don't know. I ain't do like the baby hairs and stuff, so you know, we gotta blend. No, let me stop. Let me take the stuff out of this bag. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to untie this. Okay, so this sweater, which was kind of hanging out, looks very warm, cute. Turtleneck sweater. I think that's so dope. Got this jacket. A windbreaker. Light, very lightweight. So I got this. This top, which has the lace in the back. It's pretty cute. Short sleeve. So I got that. This dress. This is like a summer type dress. A hat, little hat. I think this hat's so cute. So, very nice. Oh, I got this candle. Just to not let these burn out. Let them just burn naturally. Not supposed to put these out. So I got this candle. I'm gonna set that right there. Got this shirt. I like this. Pajama wear, make it fashion. So got that. I got this cardigan. So this material. It's very light, very lightweight. And this track top, Ellen University. Shout out to whoever donated this from Alon University. Track top. Oh, this is cute little tank top. So it's cute. Got this sleeveless dress. Got this bag, which is mad cute. And it says, it's in French, Merci, gracias, thank you. Or in different languages. So this bag. Which is so cute, so cute. So this pouch, I like this material. It's cute. Some denim, this denim skirt, just really cute. That's a high split. What's that? Then we have this top. This is really nice. Muffler, so got this. That would be cute with that skirt. And you have this, another bag. I like this bag. Probably gonna start wearing it. I like this bag. That's cute. Oh, I got this for like the desk. So I got this as well. I like this. Do some like placement with the same thing. Oh, ugly, ugly Christmas sweater. I've never went to an ugly Christmas sweater party, but if I do, this will be what I wear. So maybe this year. I don't know. Okay, that. And then have this. This is like a dress. This is a dress. And that's the tool at the bottom. This is cute. Scarf. This cute purple scarf. Anything. Like, could collect any type of item. Bags, candles, clothes, this top, it's a red shirt. Got this belt, and I got this bag at home when I went to London, so I had to get it. So stay tuned for this. This is a wireless charger. So you put your phone on here and you plug this into the wall port and then put that into the wall. So I'm actually needing to use this. This is very useful. So I'm gonna be using this. See, never know. So that's that. Got another hat. So another hat. Shirt. This is a little cute shirt. This does not want to stay on my face. I got this skirt. Tube top, which is really cute. Or you can make this something else. Okay, that's that. Gloves for your hands, lace gloves for your hands. So I got an idea for that. So, you know, ladies, put your whole. I should have took my rings off. But that's alright. But ooh, you better wow, you wanna pull it down? That would help. I don't have nails, but the ladies with nails. No, let me stop doing that. But this is so cute. I think I have both of them. No, it's only one. Only one. That's alright. You can make this yourself. But yes, this is so cute. Darling. darling, come here. All right, so that's that. Got some jeans. You know these type of jeans. You just saw Meg Thee Stallion with phony people wear jeans like this with the little, you know, in the back. But yeah, these are cute. I love the top, that's why. So those are cute. Two type of chokers. Two chokers. Or something else. Maybe these are just bands, so that's fine. Got a belt. It's not in the best condition, but that's okay. Could make it work. Woo. I got this little celebrate diversity. Yes. You better celebrate diversity or you could get off my channel. No, I'm just playing. But yes, that's the goal. I got this little, it's dead. I gotta put batteries, but you know, when you hot, you fan yourself. So that's that. And a fan. We're almost done. We got 2 more. This is so cute. Yes. So, girl, you gotta do that. And lastly, another bag. Thrift junkie. Oh, good way to end it. Thrift junkie. So that's that. And that's everything. It's done. So what I do when I thrift, because I do not wear items until I clean them, I take them to the cleaners, and I put them in there. I also, depending on what it is, like if it's a jacket, I ain't tripping too hard. Depending on the quality, I'll just probably Febreze it. You know what I'm saying? But everything else definitely gets tailored. Goes to the cleaners. I don't even want to wash it because I want it to be like professionally cleaned. So that's what I'll be doing next. And if you enjoyed this, please comment down below what your favorite item was. Be sure to like this video, share it with your fellow friends, relatives, and you know, it's important to support each other. So subscribe, because I subscribe back. I always do. If you are a model in the New Haven County area that wants to get styled, right now I am doing a promotion for the month of February where I'm doing $100 for new clients to get styled by me. I provide the photographer, I provide the makeup artist, and I'm letting you choose your location within Connecticut, or it could be at my studio. So if you would like that, please reach out again through all my social media contacts, my website. You can email me, you can comment down below, you can DM me, you can find me however, you can call, text. So just be sure to take advantage of that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, you stay blessed.